Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an OpenAI account, a generated API key, and a language SDK installed. Immediately store the API key in an environment variable or secrets manager so you do not paste it into code. Once done, open a terminal and run the SDK install command for your language, for example, pip or npm. Make sure your development environment uses HTTPS and that your network allows outbound connections to the API. Now authenticate by loading the API key from the environment into your client configuration. Do not embed keys in source. Initialize the SDK client and select an appropriate model and timeout settings. Next, construct a minimal request payload, prompt, max tokens, and temperature. Execute the request and watch the response status and headers. If it succeeds, parse the JSON body for the text or tokens. Make adjustments to parameters if the output is too short or too verbose. Finish by integrating the API call into your app flow and adding retries with exponential backoff for transient errors. Log responses and quota usage, and ensure you handle rate limiting and 4xx/5xx errors gracefully. Once integrated, set up secrets rotation and restrict key scope where possible. If something goes wrong, first verify the API key, then test network connectivity and model availability. Inspect error codes for hints. If needed, revert to a simple test request to isolate the issue before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.